Ever had to modify the same React component again and again? That's a sign that you're breaking the open-close solid principle. Let's fix it. The open-close principle says your component should be open for extension but closed for modification. That means we should be able to add new features without changing the existing code. Here's a button component that changes every time a new style is needed. Every update risks breaking something. Every time we need a new button style, we modify the component. Let's fix this. Instead of modifying the component, we allow extensions via props. Now, the component doesn't need to change for new styles. New styles can be added externally via props. Our code is more flexible and reusable. Follow OCP in React, extend components without modifying them, and your codebase will be more scalable and maintainable. Like and subscribe for more React tips.